Hi guys, welcome to today's video. I'm going to my first ever golf course. Scott's taking me to my first ever golf course. I've tried to dress like I'm a golfer, even though I'm not. Scott's just getting me a jacket to try on. Yeah, no, we're sticking with this jumper.
Yeah?
Yeah, this jumper, and then I'm going to put the gilet, the gillet, on top. Yeah, that looks cute. And then my hat will make sure cool.
This? I'm not going to wear this.
No, you should. You look well good. You look professional. Come here, look at the camera. Like with the light on you. Oh yeah, that looks better. Now I'll tuck the jumper up the back. Right. Okay. Obviously the most important thing about going to golf is getting to wear the gear. All the gear now I do. Bag and hat. I'm wearing my dad's hat. My daddy's Churchill hat. There we go. And then I'm just going to put my Fila trainers on. And this is the look. Wish me luck. I realised that I didn't actually introduce myself in case there are any new viewers watching this video. Hello, hi, my name is Kiaya. Thank you for tuning into my channel. Welcome. This is my husband Scott, Scotty Tuhari, and he is taking me to a golf course for the first ever time. We're going to Birds Hill. Is that where we're going?
Yeah.
We're going to Birds Hill, which is literally down the road from us towards Maidenhead. And yeah, it's probably going to be, it's supposed to be a fun experience, but do you think it's going to be fun?
What, for you or for me?
Well, I mean, for you. Like, you've got to teach me.
I'm not teaching you.
What do you mean you're not teaching
today.
me?
This is just your first experience on a golf course, walking, scenery. You're not going to be hitting too many balls, just... Well, actually...
Not hitting too many balls. Don't like the sound of that. I definitely want to be hitting a lot of balls.
No, you're caddying for me.
That wasn't the agreement at all. That is not how this was advertised to me.
Yeah, you're caddying, but then you'll have a couple of shots on the green. Like putting and hitting it just off the green. You are not going to be driving it the 350 yards that I do.
No, obviously, because I can't.
But yeah, I know, yeah, so you'll be playing like... Okay, yeah. You'll be taking some shots.
Okay, well, we'll see how it goes. My battery's flashing, so hopefully I've got one in my bag. And babe, what's your rating of Birds Hill?
5?
Yeah, whatever.
3 point.
Sorry guys, the battery died. Babe was saying he gives this golf course a 3.4. Oh. Birds Hill. A 3.4 out of 5.
It's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay for you to take a couple of shots on and get used to being on a golf course.
Well, if you live in the Berkshire area or you're ever visiting the Berkshire area, this is one of the many golf courses they have here. That's cute. Is that someone's house? Stop. Is that literally someone's house? That is somebody's house.
No.
Surely.
Might be the...
I think it is, you know. There's lots of cars. I like this car.
Wallet.
So we're just getting ready and then we're going to go on the course. Is that the first hole? The yellow stick? The yellow flag?
No.
Oh. Okay, babe's got this special golf watch he's going to tell us about. Right, tell us about the watch.
Tell us about your watch.
Yeah, what's so special about this golf watch?
Okay, this watch tells you exactly where we're going, what we're doing, how far it is away from the hole, which is vitally important for someone like me. Right, you can drop it, babe. There you go.
He's looking for his golf club. Glove. Can't talk. Club glove. I was going to bring my gloves, I should have done.
Where am I?
No, I meant my warm gloves. I think the vlog pressure has got to Scott because that shot wasn't very good. His first shot wasn't great, but it's fine, he's going again. It is very cold, to be fair. He's lost it, he's totally lost it. He said he was better than me. He's not. Club?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, that was blimmin' beautiful. I still don't really know where the hole is though.
You know where it is, it's right in front of you.
Oh, okay, hang on. This is a par 4 and he's done 2 shots, so he should get it in 4 or less.
That's if you're professional.
Oh, professional, not an amateur. Just a professional caddy nowadays. Earning my pocket money. 100 yards away, pitching what?
Pitching wedge.
Pitching wedge. Loves doing a practice swing. Not gonna lie, I cannot see it at all.
Got the back of the green.
Did it? Shot 3 on a first hole par 4 and apparently went over the green. Not gonna pretend to know what that means. 4th shot, first hole par 4. What club you got? Wedge. Oh dear, it's gonna be very difficult in this long grass. Oh, that was really good. Okay, so I'm gonna tend the flag, guys. I'm on flag duty. Hold the flag if the ball comes. It's stuck, fuck's sake. God. Yep. It's not so bad, you're on shot 5 on a par 4 and you're not a professional. Is this still the wedge or is this a putter?
Putter. Oh my god. No. Okay.
Where's doing my legs?
Let's go. That's mad. 7.
Oh. We're stopping.
The other week I've got that.
So each flag is different. Blue means it's at the back of the green, red means it's at the front. It's just told me. And we're at the 2nd hole now. What par is this hole?
Par 4 still.
Par 4.
Par 4. Good.
The big dog apparently. What'd you drop?
Where's that gone?
Absolute hell knows.
Didn't see it?
Did not see it at all, Scott. It literally disappeared. I wasn't even looking at the cameras. I was literally... There it is. Bloody hell, you hit it well far. It went in the tree. I just saw it fall down.
What tree?
To the right.
Big tree.
The Christmas tree. The little Christmas tree.
And it fell down, did it?
Yeah. Blinking it. It literally went into the clouds and I was like, it's gone. It's never to be seen again.
I hit that really well. Right, so eliminate
I got it on my phone camera as well. Yeah. Look at the pheasants. So cute. 2 females and a cock pheasant. Oh, he got it on the green. Well, that one made it onto the green. That was a very good shot.
That was my second shot.
Second shot on the second hole. Oh my god, it's so close.
Shut up.
It's so good.
No way. No way.
This is gonna end up being your best round. That must be good luck. How cute are those pheasants over there, by the way?
Look at that.
They're so cute. Scott's freaking out. He's like, look how good I am.
Take a drop. You're gonna tend it?
Oh yeah, I've got to tend the stick.
Actually, take it out. Take it out. You lay it on the floor. You got my wedding ring?
Your wedding ring's on my finger.
Oh.
Oh, done.
That's a par. We've got 7 and a 4, so we are 3 over. 2 holes.
3 over on the second hole.
Okay, you're going to have your man in there.
Exciting.
Let's go. That should have been a birdie.
3, and apparently this is the kind of one that you would get a hole in one in. Sorry, how far did it go? Because it definitely didn't land.
Bunker. There's a bunker there.
Oh! Okay, I'm going to have a turn. Slightly nervous and I do need a wee and I'm wearing jeans, so we'll see how it goes. I've got Dick.
Almost in the middle of your stance, but just in front, yeah? For you. Put it next to it. Keep your feet still, head still. Just do what you normally do.
Do what I normally do. Feet still, head still.
Do what you normally do.
Middle stance, but slightly in front.
I'll film it, one sec.
Straight arms.
One sec.
Hands stiff. Hang on, I've got to sort out these sleeves.
Just keep your head on the ball.
Too far down. Don't come up, head down. Oh, what does that mean when I missed it? Too far away?
Yeah.
Okay.
Have a look there.
Little bit
That's
closer.
better. That's better. No, too far away still.
Oh my god, but this stick's so long.
Hey, well done. There you go.
Come on! She's a golfer.
Well done.
Well done.
Good, your first ever tee shot.
My first ever tee shot, and I'm not being funny. Did I get the ball nearly as far as you did?
Nowhere near it, but it was really
Oh, okay. Right. Guys! Oh, golf is so much
So you just hit
fun.
that, you started at 120,
Okay.
you just hit that, let's see what your ball is.
We started at 120.
Videoing it, where you come from.
Videoing where I just come from back there. And now,
Hit it.
I feel like, is my camera in focus? Yeah, it is. I think it's just because I'm wearing a hat. Shady. I don't know. Oh my god, that's my ball. So how far was it?
Hit that.
Here's 70 yards. My first ever, whatever it's called, 70 yards. And can you see the flag is just, the flag is just there.
You don't want to hit this too hard, okay?
Don't hit it too hard. Okay, it's recording.
Yeah.
Hold my bag. Right, come closer.
Remember, you don't hit it too hard. Just think.
Not too hard.
You'll give. Right. Just a little chip through. Not too hard, little chip. Not, babe, too hard. Way too hard.
Too hard?
Way too hard.
Less. Good job I missed it.
Not as much power. Just come back halfway. Come back halfway.
Right there?
No, feet where, but swing back halfway, sorry.
Oh, sorry.
Half a swing. You looked up.
Oh.
Keep looking at the ball, half swing, follow it through.
Got my head up again.
It's only a little chip now. Just come back halfway.
Well, I did get a chip here.
That was good, just a little bit off target. Well done.
Where's your ball?
One's in the bunker.
His is in the bunker. Oh, the bunker's the sand pit. Okay, it's not a sand pit, it's a bunker. But we all know it's a sand pit, yeah? But they call it bunker. This is my fourth shot. What par is this hole?
3.
Oh, okay, so I'm 1 over par already. And let's be honest, I didn't get it in the sand pit, so who's really winning here? You gonna get yours out the pit first? Oh.
That's why I have to put it in the sand wedge.
Oh, he has a sand wedge. Sorry. There is a divot there. I just fell straight in it.
I would stand here.
Okay, we're going behind him. He's going in the sand pit with his sand wedge. He's going to get the ball out. No pressure. You got this. I believe in you. It's very intense. He got it out, but he's a bit strong on that. Babe, this is what happens when you're a strong man. Oh look, and then he's gonna rake the sand pit. See? Everyone's very considerate of each other here. I love it. Why? Because you can't hold it.
So I'm going over there for my one.
Oh, Scott's going to his ball, and I've got a putter. I'm going to try and putt it in the hole, so I will put you guys on the floor. Right, the ball is just below you guys, but hopefully you'll see it when I hit it, alright? I've never putted before, my first ever putt, alright? So just be nice.
It really goes quick, okay?
It goes fast, okay? I mean, I feel like my shots always go a bit to the left, so I'm just twisting them. Okay, half a twist. Shot. Okay, I didn't get it in, but it's well close. And Babe's swimming because clearly I'm just an au naturel at golf. Look how close. So there's Scott's ball. There's my ball. By the way, if you haven't watched our Maldives vlogs, you may not understand just how competitive we are as a couple. To put it in perspective, we are both Gemini and we are born 3 days apart from each other. So competition is intense.
This is your 5th shot.
5th shot on a par 4.
Take your time, okay?
Take my time.
Yeah. You see, okay. Aim to a little bit left of it. Only a tiny bit left. Remember, it's uphill slightly, so don't put too much into it. That's right. Now, make sure you don't step over my line.
Oh, what the hell? Why is it doing that?
Because you didn't aim it properly.
Oh, okay, I'm not straight. Right. It's very hard, isn't it?
Well done. That was 7 for you. This is my 4.
7. You were recording, yeah?
Well, it's still recording.
Yeah. No, I'm just checking you didn't turn it off. Right, Babe's on his 4th. I did it in 7, and it's a par 4 hole. Hole number 3 at Birds Hill. Okay, so now we're up to 5. Well done. Did it in 5.
Double bogey. Par.
Double bogey, par. Double bogey. I don't know what all this means, but yeah.
Bogey is 1 shot over.
Okay.
Double bogey is 2 shots over.
And that's what I got.
No, that's what I got.
Oh. What do you call what I got then? Just 7?
You got a quadruple bogey, they call that.
Quadruple bogey, for goodness sake. You can tell a man created this game. Okay, this is a long one. I don't think I'll be able to hit on this because there's like people around. But it's very, very fun. Very much enjoying myself.
You actually enjoyed yourself, right?
Oh my god, I'm absolutely loving it. Babe, it's walking and hitting things with stick. Like, it's great.
Yeah, it is.
And there's no children.
Yeah, cool.
Okay. Down there. That's where we're going.
Yeah, you zoomed in?
Where? Oh my god, it's ages away.
See, look, that's a par 3, yeah?
Okay, what's this a par? This is a par 5. Can you even see the flag? There it is.
Golf etiquette.
Okay.
Be quiet when someone's hitting a shot.
Oh.
And
Right, golf
do you see
etiquette.
my ball when I said don't step on my line?
Yeah.
So my ball's, so the hole's there,
Okay, hang on. Say the hole's there.
right there, that yellow thing. So it's right here by the yellow thing.
Okay, yeah.
And my ball's here.
Yeah.
You would not step like that.
Oh, because you're going to affect the ground.
There you go.
Okay, I get that. And also, golf etiquette, we have to be
You know
quiet.
what you shout?
4.
Yeah.
4. There's me. More like the old Strictly Come Dancing. 7. Right, we've got to keep an eye on the ball. Oh my god, boys is in front of the women. So that's why they have different things. Different setups. See, there's 2 there. That's the women, that's the boys, that's the normal men's. And then this is for the professionals for competitions. My lord, right, I've got to keep an eye on this ball.
Keep an eye on it.
Yep, I'm watching the ball. Not even watching you. I think there might be something wrong with this club. Because every time he uses it, it's just not hitting very well. Okay, he's got a 5 iron now. I never do those practice swings. Maybe I should start. Please tell me you saw where that went.
Yeah.
Okay, it's a par 5, long one. It's getting a bit chilly now, I won't lie. Wind's picking up a bit.
When you don't, normally it's meant to line one and normally land like over here.
Okay, on the first shot,
Yeah.
when you use the driver.
Yeah.
Okay.
But because I fucked it up, I'm now in the same spot where I would be
From shot 1.
from shot 1.
Okay, it took him 2 shots to get to the first spot. Yeah, I do apologise by the way if the sound's a bit iffy because it's windy. I don't have a little like fluffy thing over my mic to protect it from the wind, but hopefully you're enjoying this video as much as I am enjoying my day. I'd be enjoying it a lot more if the sun was out and it wasn't just a white, grey, cloudy sky, but at least it's not raining. Count your blessings where you can. We're at golf in the middle of the day together while the kids are at school. Not many married couples that are able to do that. Right, we're at focus.
So, this is telling me it's 194 yards to the front, okay?
Okay.
But watch this. Oh. If you do this, come on. Hazards. There's a bunker. Water is 180. So I don't want to hit it in the water.
So this is going to help you determine how much speed and...
I will know what club to use.
Oh, what club to use, okay.
So I want to hit this past this bunker,
Past...
between the ridge and that bit of fairway, you see what I mean?
Okay. Past the sandpit, guys.
I'm in a divot.
Oh, he's in a divot.
Oh, yeah. Keep an eye on it, yeah?
Yeah.
Exactly like that.
Oh wow, that was a brilliant shot. It's in the clouds right now. It's going down, going down. I think that's just before the water. Or do you think it went in the water? Maybe. But it was a brilliant shot. It was really far.
You know what though? I actually hit that too rough.
You hit it too much power.
So in a minute you're going to have some cut on that. Got the next one.
Oh, it's so nice being able to watch you. Watch you play after all them years of you going at the weekends. Me sitting in the trailer with the babies. Yeah.
Where's it gone?
What do you mean, where's it gone? Oh, it's in the water. I thought it did. I think it did roll down the reeds. Babe's buzzing. Didn't go in the water. Landed.
My fourth shot on a par 5 again.
Fourth shot on a par 5.
But now I'm starting to play.
That's where the ball landed.
This is a hard shot because I'm thinking about the water.
Yeah, you're close to it. You got to get it up.
Yeah.
Get it up.
I want it to land just on the green and get it to roll.
Okay. Cupping it up.
It's going to go horribly wrong for YouTube. It's the little... too much.
Oh!
Way too much.
Okay, well yeah, it rolled on the other side, but it's better than being in the water. And what par is this, a 5?
Par 5, my 5th shot.
And it's your 5th shot. Right guys, I'm going to practice putting. But we've already took the flag out of the hole, so... Okay. I'm quite close to it. I don't know if this is how close I'm meant to be. Oh, Babe's just hit his. Quite close. It is on a bit of a hill, this one though.
That was actually amazing. Well done, babe.
Not a bad shot. I'm pretty much in line with Scott.
Yeah, plus I need to put mine in.
Oh no.
What?
I wasn't fucking recording, I did your dad. Guys, Scott just got a bogey. I mean, like, that's a good thing. Oh my lord, the zoom as well. He got bogey, and it was really good. And
love it. So,
I didn't press record.
6 over 4 holes.
He's 6 over 4 holes. There's so many pheasants here, it's so nice.
It should be about 4 or 5 over.
Right, Scott's saying he should be about 4 or 5 over, and he's 6 today. But he has got me in tow, so, you know.
So, next one. We are going over there.
Right guys, we're on hole number 5, and I will try to zoom in so you can see how far the flag is. There's so many pheasants, I love it. Right, it's a red flag you're looking for. Where is it? There it is. Yeah, that's what we're aiming for.
Stand behind me and get this on video. Remember, you've got to keep an eye on it, yeah? So don't look at your camera, look at the ball.
Yeah, I know, I am looking at the ball.
Stand behind me.
Alright. Oh, it's got YouTuber husband syndrome, isn't he? Whoa, that was a great shot. Really far. The wind, you saw how much the wind carried it.
See it, yeah?
Yeah, it bounced just to the right a bit and then went down. I think it might have gone in a sandpit again, if there's one to the right.
It's gone in the what?
The bunker.
Yes, you're a golfer now.
Got to get our sandwich and get out of the bunker.
That was a really good shot.
Oh my god, babe, did you see the wind?
Yeah. No, that was the shot. That was the way I hit it.
What, it curved?
Shot across it.
So golf balls can curve?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You can't hit it straight. Think of like when you kick a football and you curl it.
Oh, yeah,
exactly the same, isn't it?
Alright.
The next one is a par 3. You're going to have another go. So you're doing the par 3s at the moment.
Okay.
Because these are too long for you.
Okay. Even though I've never had a chance with the swinger anyway.
If you can nail the par 3s and we develop you that way, then you'll get to the par 4s and par 5s.
No, I just want to use the big thing.
Big one?
Yeah.
Okay, you can use it next one.
Alright.
The big dog.
The big dog.
The big dog.
Oh, I'm obsessed with the pheasants here. Oh! Look at the cock pheasant. Hello, my friend. It looks so far away on camera, honestly. It's actually really close to me. This is why he actually bought me. To pull the trolley. He's feeling confident now, he's feeling happy. Change zoom. Get that on YouTube. Oh my lord, we're having a nightmare with the focus on this camera. I've got it on auto setting. Right, here we are. I'm gonna spin you around now. Put my trolley down. Anything from the trolley, dear? Name that movie. If you know, you know. Okay, here's his ball.
So we are 63 yards away. This is a little ship.
63 yards away.
Par 4. This is my second shot.
Par 4.
So I'm going for birdie.
Right, guys. He's going for birdie. And apparently he's 63 yards away or something.
Birdie or par? What am I on? 6 over? 4. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just visualising that I'm hitting it.
Mm-hmm. Got it on the green. That ain't bad. That was very good, wasn't it? You happy?
Yeah, you can take that ball if you want. The green, you see it's like uphill.
Yeah, it's well uphill.
A little bit left to right as well. Do you know what I mean by that?
Nope.
Left to right means if you aim left side, it will drop into the right. It's not dead straight, is it?
Okay.
So you're going to tend it, yeah?
Oh, right,
Actually,
yeah.
you know what? I'll take it out, it's fine. This is a birdie opportunity, alright?
Birdie opportunity. Stop it.
Take the par though, take the par.
Stop. Well done. That was very good. In 4. So you got it on par?
Yeah.
No?
6 over 5 holes. So now I'm probably at my handicap.
He's probably at his handicap, which means he's playing at his best number. Oh, I'll get him to explain it.
Yeah.
It's like everybody's handicap is how many shots over they go of a course. So say a course is like 87 par, you should get all around the course within 87 shots or less. And Scott's handicap is, what's your handicap? 22. So that means he normally gets a course at maximum 22 shots over what the whole course par is.
But that's what I played to.
Okay.
You can get the big dog out now.
Oh, the big dog. I'm excited. The big dog has a hat. I'm not really sure why. Oh, and it's a bit hard to get off with one hand. There it is. The big dog. I'm excited. Scott's got a chipper. This is the next hole, by the way, in case you didn't realise. Oh, it just rolled off the hill, I think. Oh, but it looked like it was going right near the flag.
Dead straight.
Yep. Press record. Okay, so this one is very long. How do I swing? Full swing? Half swing?
You can go full swing. Just make sure it's in line with your front toe, the ball.
Ooh.
Feet a little bit wider. Because this is wide, because it's going to swing. Yeah, bend. Yeah. There you go.
Oh! Get the ball!
Full swing, you're fine. Let it. Just let it. Have a practice swing. Just stand back a bit and have a practice swing.
I don't want to do that. I just want to see what happens. Ready? Okay, why did it do that?
Because you kind of like whipped it. You gotta have confidence.
This stick is very long. I think it needs to step back a bit.
Yeah, okay. Keep your head still, don't move it. Let your arms swing.
It's too long. Is that
Hold it a little bit lower down the club. No, not like just on the edge of the black. There you go. Grip. There you go. Eyes on the ball.
didn't hit it right?
Yeah, just now it's.
A little bit in.
Yeah. Eyes on the ball, keep your head down. Lifted your head up.
Lift your head up again.
Feet a little bit closer, you're a little bit too far away. This one you can be a little bit closer. Go get it. I think you're like coming down and up. Just do what you normally do. Really relax yourself. Don't overthink it. Did ya? Here's another one. Push it into the ground so it's literally just that. There you go. Just relax, let it swing. Eyes, keep your head still and eyes on the ball. Natural swing. Don't overthink it. There you go, that's better.
It's like feet, knees,
Yeah.
arms.
Knees, head, arms.
Head,
practice
arms.
swing.
Yeah, you always do a practice swing.
It's because I feel like I need to.
It's like doing a warm-up, I presume.
Yeah, because you got to feel like your body's all in line. Like it's not gone in the rough.
Where did it go? Oh, there it is. How many yards did I get it then?
Only that 30. That's not what you're worried about. You just want to hit the ball.
Okay.
Go again?
Yeah.
Natural swing, keep your head still. I will tell you where it goes, so don't worry about where the ball goes.
Why didn't it go up?
Head still, I'll tell you where it goes. Eyes on the ball, no matter what. There you go.
I mean, it did go in the bunker, but at least it was straight.
Oh, it nearly come out.
Oh. So my ball went here, and we're not allowed in this bunker, so Scott's going to get the ball out and then I'm allowed a free drop. But look how close I am! Look how close I am to that hole. I am excited.
You get a free drop.
Right, here you go.
So just do like...
Recording. Okay, in line with back toe.
Yeah. You're just skimming the grass and it's only come back about a foot. See what you done, use your wrists, use your wrists, use your arms. So watch. Keep your arms straight, come through. Tense your stomach muscles, keep your arms straight. Like that, but not as much. Don't follow through as much. There you go.
Alright, let's try it, let's see what happens.
It's not about how hard you hit it, it's just your swing.
Hang on, back toe.
Back toe, and just a little chip. Not too much, it's gonna run, so you're not gonna... Only bring it, babe, to probably about here.
Okay, alright.
Keep your eyes on the ball. You didn't swing. It wasn't natural. Now you got a putt, you can't use that?
Oh no, I was going to bring it back.
Okay.
I want to try again.
Do what I did. Do like 4 or 5 swings in rhythm. Not even halfway back. Little, about a foot there. There you go. There you go, like that. Exactly like that. Just keep doing that. That's all you got to do.
I'm like relaxing my wrist a bit too much. Oh, okay, we're too much.
Oh, wow.
Too much, but it was really straight.
Yeah, it was good. Well done.
Here's the other side. Oh, Scott's lost his ball. But my ball went really straight. I mean, I hit it with too much va-va-voom. But it was well straight. And it's right by Scott's ball, apparently. Here we go.
Let me go first. I'm a bit further back.
Alright. That's me. That's Scott.
This is my second shot. So watch, because I was like that, that would be like that. See what I mean?
Alright.
So what I'm doing, come down, and a little chip and roll.
Okay. See how it goes.
These have been good today. I don't want to jinx it.
Your legs are well close together.
Yeah. No way, that was too good.
Alright, my turn.
1 second.
Oh, you going again?
Yeah.
Right. It's got a different club now.
I could cut this.
Go on, do it then. Oh my god, it's so close.
That was coming out. Exactly. Yeah?
Okay.
It's coming.
Someone's coming?
No, you're fine. You're recording, yeah? Go ahead.
Back toe.
Yeah, just a little chip. Not too much. Remember, it's going to run a lot. You just need it to bounce just on the green. That is very, very good. Very good. Look at that. So that's what... I know it ran off a little bit, but that was very good. It's about like your swing and your touch.
I think I just need to be a lot more relaxed about it. Like when we played miniature golf, not gonna lie guys, I was just there to have fun and I beat Scott. I was well good. But that's because there was like no pressure because it was mini golf. Miniature golf.
Right, this is a tough putt.
Is it?
Yeah, it really is. Because I normally miss these. Not too much. This is for bogey again. Just a little roll in though. There. Just there.
Going for bogey. Scott Carter brace.
No.
Too much. Should be, because I've had dot on them. Which leg?
Right in the middle, belly button. Only a little bit.
Oh, too much. I was waiting.
It's, do it again. Not a lot, yeah? You now know it's only a little push. Do it again. Exactly the same again. Exactly the same again.
Oh, I went over the rim.
So you were aiming a little.
It is hard because it goes, the hole goes up. It's the Chanel hanging on the golf club bag for me. Sorry? With what?
Like there. Do you want me to film your experience?
Right, we're cleaning the ball, guys. This is a ball cleaner. Oh, this is exciting. In goes the ball. Wow, look at that, brand new.
Yeah, I have an app on my phone that tells me as well.
Yeah, because I'm not going to lie, I did not. We're going back on ourselves now.
Yeah, we're now going up the hill. Do you remember we came down the hill, yeah?
If you say so. Got a U in geography, so I'm not very good at location.
You were going there?
You're going, yeah, I can see it. Blue flag right at the end. At least it's a nice straight one.
That's the hardest ones.
Oh, is it?
For me, it is. Keep an eye.
Yep. That's good, but it's gone really right over them trees.
Reload, as they say.
Reload? What? Because you lost that ball?
Yeah, what's that?
Oh. That was a brilliant one. That was great.
Do that first time.
Sun, the sun I see. Are you coming out for me? Please. Yep.
By the way, this is like 3.4, like I said, yeah?
Yeah.
These country clubs round it. Like,
So which one's a country club? Berkshire? Berkshire Club?
you've got, well, yeah, the Berkshire. You've got Castle Royale.
Carter Royale.
Royal Ascot.
Royal Ascot.
Sunningdale.
Sunningdale.
Where else? Bearwood Lakes.
Bearwood
That's
Lakes.
lovely. This is like the second lowest in terms of quality.
Okay.
In these country clubs, you don't get this. You don't get this at all.
Let's see.
But it's well looked after, prim, proper.
I think it's nice here though, and at least it's round the corner.
It's annoying they won't accept you.
What do you mean they won't accept me?
No spectators.
What?
Who said no spectators? Spectators.
Yeah. But you're not like a member here.
No, but you can't have someone caddy or hold your club and watch.
Oh. Yeah, they have to pay to play.
Yeah.
Yeah, well. Because they don't want people doing them over, do they?
Yeah. He was quite nice though. Slow.
Yep, just to the left of the green.
That really was there. Is that your bag right, yeah?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay. So, your YouTuber's story in a moment.
Scott's going to tell you a story in a minute. Right, this is
My
his third shot.
Par 4.
Par 4.
I need it to land. See where the green is, yeah?
Yeah.
You've got first cut rough and then the normal rough here, yeah?
Yeah, I can see.
I need to land it just about there.
Okay.
A little bit of a chip and run. Like that. Go, 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 go. Oh, a little bit more than perfect.
Well, I think that's pretty good. 4th shot on a par 4. And we're on hole 7.
This is 7. Can't remember how over I am. 6 over through 5. And then got a double then. 8 over through 6.
Oh, this is why you have the score sheet, isn't it?
8 over through 6.
I forgot to fill in the score sheet.
The par.
Bogey. This will probably be the one and only vlog that Scott ever watches on my channel, by the way.
9 over through 7.
He's 9 over through 7.
Right, this next hole. This is a par 4. Just 3 shots I've got this one for.
Next hole's a par 4. How many shots did you get it in, Scott?
It is 340 yards.
340 yards away.
And I've got this in 2 shots.
You got this in 2 shots?
Yeah.
When was that?
This was about 8 years ago.
So when Lilu was born?
Yeah. Like that. Summer. Carried on rolling.
Wow.
And it landed about 3 foot away, rolled.
That's brilliant. See how well you do it this time.
My best start, I might be able to do that today. Because the wind's coming against me.
Alright.
And the ground is soft.
So what par is this? Par 4?
Par 4. You would start down there quickly.
Oh yeah, can you see? So there's like another flat bit with 2 little stationary things sticking up. That's where the women start from. So Scott, when he did it, he got it near that tree and then it rolled right close. He got an eagle right close to the flag. 3 foot within a flag it went.
I'm 9 over.
Oh, he's 9 over through 7. If you actually know what this means, let me know in the comments. Oh no, my battery's about to die. You better hurry up, babe. Battery's about to run out.
Right, ready?
That went so high. Has it even come down? It went so high. Left in the bushes.
Did it?
Yep. Okay guys, we're going ball hunting because we think both of his balls went left in the bushes. So we're gonna go see if we can find them and maybe some other people's balls. I just can't. At least the sun's coming out. That's making me very happy. I mean, I am happy anyway. I'm very much enjoying myself, but you can see how men get like stressy playing golf. I'm actually so tired now. But I found his ball in the bush and he's got it out and he's done a free drop thing and he's gonna go again.
Free drop. Ooh.
Before the green or?
Before the green.
Alright.
Have to not get this in the bunker.
It's gone right.
Okay.
Not bad. Okay guys, I'm gonna have a go. Can you even see me? I'm gonna have a go chipping it onto the green. I don't know, but I'm presuming it's in shot. I honestly don't know. In the middle for this one?
Yeah.
Is it legs in the middle?
Just twist the club, close the face a little bit, if you know what I mean? You know what I mean?
Like that?
There we go.
Right, how far am I swinging up?
Only a little bit. Remember, you've hardly got any bit of ground to play with, so just
Chip.
a little chip forward, not too much. Don't go too hard. Don't follow through too much. You didn't follow through.
Right, follow through the swing.
Follow through, but don't come back to me too much. Close the face. Give the grass a haircut. You wasn't going to follow through, you was all wrists. Keep your arms straight. Don't come back too far, just swing.
Why do you keep doing that? I need to go further or closer or something.
Do you know what you do
don't
your
I?
wrists? Doing that. Keep your arms straight with the club.
Yeah, but that still wasn't how it was supposed to go, was it?
Yeah. That's why we get some lessons. You can cut now though.
To summarise, I need some lessons from a professional who can give me direction and pointers and actually spend like a day, you know, pointing me in the right direction. So if you live local to Berkshire and you want me to come and play golf with you and you're going to help me get better, comment below and we will meet up and you can show me how it's done and hopefully teach me how to do it right.
In the middle, belly button. So it's a little bit right to left. Do you remember what I said by that?
You go right, you go
Aim about 6 inches right of the cup. Not too much. Oh!
empty. Okay, now. Is it straight now? Is it right to left again?
Oh my. Babe. I didn't get it on.
You're lying.
No. Let's go. Take your time. A little bit tiny. Aim for the left hand edge. Well done.
I think he's had enough now. It's very cold, to be honest. It's been great. It's been great fun. It's just, it is cold. He's had some great shots today, and then some shots that he should have been great at, but he hasn't been so great at. Like, look how close he has his feet together. It doesn't tell me to have my feet that close when I putt. Oh my gosh, stop it. He's fuming. He is fuming. Oh, my battery's flashing again. For God's sake.